What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I'm out here by the ice machine to answer the question, will it freeze? I got my replacement GoPro Mini 11 from GoPro. It took them about a month to get a replacement out to me. I've been testing it, and testing it. It's been under the ice, it's been on the concrete, and I must say that it is not freezing. This thing's rock solid. I think the first batch that they sent out were lemons and had a lot of issues with freezing. There's also a firmware update out now that seems to help, and I would recommend, if you've got the original, to go ahead and update it. But if you're not having freezing problems, then you're probably good to go. If you are having freezing problems, go ahead and return that shit. Get a replacement while you still can, because it shouldn't be freezing up like that. I definitely had a defective GoPro, and I'm glad that they took care of it and replaced it without me having to claim an accidental damage warranty, because I hadn't even smashed it yet. But I haven't been using it that much, honestly. Action 2 had taken over my freestyle spot on the quad just because it was so much lighter, and now that I've got the 03 air unit, I don't need to carry this at all. I just use this for gig work, and the 03 is on there every day for my recording and capturing my sessions, and uploading to YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. And if you're paying me, then you get access to this.